Hello, today I'm going to show you how to turn this belacan block to powder, also how to use this powder in my daily cooking. My family always use bangka belacan because it's the most tastiest. Usually Indonesian people will stick a fork into the block, then burn it above fire from the stove, then mash it with other spices. It's done like that every time you want to use it. If you turn it into powder, it will save your time and gas. You can change the form of 3 blocks all at once to save time and energy. First, slice the block and transfer it to a non-sticky pan. Then dry it using medium-low heat. Close the pan with a lid. Flip it once a while so it will not burn. The color becomes lighter when dry. The aroma that comes out is so good, like grilled squid. When it is completely dry, turn the heat off, move it to a mortar, and crush it with pestle until it turns into powder form. Then move it to a clean jar. Just add it directly to your chili sauce to make belacan chili sauce oil. You can find the chili sauce recipe on the link above or in the description box. You can also add it to your instant noodle to make it tastier. Here I'm using onion chicken flavor, but I change it into a fried version. I add belacan powder, sweet soy sauce, and homemade chili sauce oil. Once the noodle al dente, just put the cooked noodle and mix it all up. If you don't like the manufactured instant noodle, you can make it yourself. Find out how I make it on the link above or in the description box. This belacan powder will be a perfect additional seasoning to it. Then add topping, grated cheese, and topping from the noodle package. Voila! Belacan onion chicken fried noodle. Let's make belacan fried pasta. Heat oil, then add chicken, spam, and carrot. Stir it to heat the chicken and soften the carrot. Actually, this is Indonesian belacan fried rice recipe. But my family only serve red rice rather than white rice. Red rice is not a good option to make fried rice. So I changed all the ingredients to become belacan fried pasta. Then add green bean, garlic and shallot. Add a little oil to fry egg. Scramble it and mix it all well. Add cooked pasta. Mix it well. Add belacan powder and sweet soy sauce. Mix it well. I don't add salt and pepper because some of the ingredients, like spam and belacan, has salt and pepper in it, so we don't need to add salt first. Give it a taste. If it is tasteless, then add the salt and mix it well. When the taste has come out, then you can add more sweet soy sauce and or belacan powder until you meet your preferable taste. Then stir it until it dry up. Because most Indonesian fried rice is a bit dry rather than oily. The amazing thing about belacan powder rather than the plain block is you can add it in your pickles. Right now I'm making the extended version of Indonesian pickle. The ingredients are cucumber, carrot, shallot, and green rawit chili. Except for chili, dice all the ingredients. In this recipe, we don't need to remove the cucumber seed. Back then, when I were a little girl, pickle was easy to find as a complement to Indonesian dishes, such as soto, satay, fried rice, Medan char kway teow, oxtail soup, and many more. But nowadays, pickle are rare to be served. Some sellers don't serve at all and some just serve cucumber pickle. And some make it flavorless. Maybe because it's free and can be taken as much as you want. The pickle will run out of stock before the main course sold out. And the other reason why the pickle become extinct despite being a desirable complement. Watch how miserable to cut the shallot. The action not only provoking tears, but the shallot price is also expensive. Yet it's the most sought after from pickle. But if you give price, no one would buy it. So there are no canned pickles in this country. I want to make the pickle taste a bit spicy. So I cut some of the chili, meanwhile the others left uncut. Add salt, sugar, pepper, belacan powder, and sour citrus juice. Pepper and belacan are optional. It just enriches the pickle's taste. Mix it very well to make sure the seasoning distributed evenly. Let it sit for 30 minutes, then taste it and correct the taste. Then move it to a clean jar. Keep it in the fridge overnight. Shake it once a while so the seasoning spread evenly. This is what it looks like after spending overnight in the fridge. It becomes so watery and the ingredients sinkering. Looks so fresh, isn't it? It would be a good companion with uduk rice. Would be nice to enjoy it with spaghetti too. Or gorengan. You can click the link above to find out about gorengan or in the description box. Fit well with combro too. Combro is an Indonesian snack that made of cassava and oncom. And of course, it will perfectly fit to enjoy with soto flavor instant noodle. Great to be added to your peanut sauce for fried fish. The fried fish recipe can be found in the link above or in the description box. You can find my other recipe which use belacan powder in the description box. Thanks for watching and see you in another video. Bye.